Ex-Senator Bong Revilla's legal woes have just begun. After turning himself in on malversation of public funds raps, he is also up for another charge of plunder to be filed by the Department of Justice, likely by next week. But it is not alone, as our Maribel Custodio tells us who else are up for identical raps in this report.
The plunder cases would involve former Senator Bong Revilla and then Congressman Saldico and Senator Jinggoy Estrada. Okay, there are other correspondents who are charged together with them.
The Department of Justice is set to issue subpoenas this week for the separate plunder complaints against Senator Jinggoy Estrada, former Senator Bong Revilla, and former Ako Bicol Party List Representative Saldico. According to Prosecutor General Richard Fadulyon, preliminary hearings will begin by the end of the month.
Tinutukan po muna natin yung mga ghost projects na sinasabi nila sa 1st District ng Bulacan dahil sa ito po yung mas madaling tukuyin, mas madaling makita, mas madaling alamin, at mas madaling maberipika. We have 3 more cases.
Fadulyon added that officials from the Department of Public Works and Highways are expected to be held accountable in the coming weeks.
Now, there are 6 cases involving other contractors, Wawaw, Top Notch, which are undergoing preliminary investigation sa ngayon.
Meanwhile, DPWH Secretary Vince Dizon said the agency continues to cooperate with DOJ, Office of the Ombudsman, Independent Commission for Infrastructure, and National Bureau of Investigation to ensure accountability in alleged anomalous infrastructure projects. This Tuesday, Secretary Dizon testified before the Sandigan Bayan in connection with the alleged substandard project in Oriental Mindoro linked to former lawmaker Zaldico.
Mukhang ang susunod kung pupuntahan yung Regional Trial Court sa Lapu-Lapu. Yung kaso sa Davao Occidental Ghost Project against Sara Diskaya et al. No? So, dahil po ang DPWH po mismo ang complainant doon. So, tuloy-tuloy po yan. Wala pong tigil yan. No? At ang aming coordination sa DOJ, sa Ombudsman, tuloy-tuloy.
The Secretary also assured the public that despite these issues, the DPWH works goes on to improve and complete infrastructure projects. Vel Custodio for the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.